Just got a Brazilian wax? Wondering how to care for your skin so it heals fast and stays silky smooth? Stick around, we've got your ultimate day-by-day recovery plan to keep irritation at bay and boost your confidence. Waxing can be tricky if you don't know how to care for your skin afterward. Today, we'll guide you through each crucial day following your Brazilian wax. This way, you'll enjoy a flawless recovery with no redness, no bumps, just smooth skin. Before the big day, exfoliation is your best friend. Start scrubbing gently a few days prior and moisturize daily to prepare your skin. Right after waxing, avoid hot showers or baths. Opt for loose, breathable clothing instead. Follow your salon's aftercare advice carefully. To soothe redness, apply cooling aloe vera gel or a calming post-wax cream immediately after. On day 1, cleanse your skin gently with fragrance-free products. Avoid harsh scrubbing or exfoliation. Hydration is key. Use soothing moisturizing creams throughout the day. Stay away from strong perfumes, deodorants, or irritating lotions to prevent flare-ups. Keep moisturizing with calming lotions that contain aloe vera or chamomile on day 2. If you still feel tenderness, try cool compresses to ease inflammation. Most importantly, avoid scratching or picking at the area. Scratching can cause infections and scarring. By day 3, start gentle exfoliation with a soft scrub or washcloth. This helps prevent ingrown hairs. Keep an eye out for signs of infection like pus, swelling, or red streaks. If you notice these, seek medical help immediately. Continue your gentle skincare routine to support healing. From day 4 onward, keep up a regular skincare routine. Cleanse gently, moisturize, and exfoliate to keep skin healthy. To avoid future ingrown hairs, use specialized hair removal products and exfoliate regularly. Regular waxing sessions paired with a consistent skincare regimen mean longer-lasting smoothness and fewer problems. Want more skincare guides that help you look and feel your best? Hit subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss out. Smooth skin starts with smart care.